Hi guys, this is Joe from Tech Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. As you can see right in front of me, I have two products that I wanted to really show you, and I've been waiting for them for such a long time. Of course, one of them is the main product and the other one is the accessory. So without further ado, let me show you what is this. Look at this packaging. This is the latest Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So finally it has arrived, and I'm so glad that I'm able to get it so fast. And let's do the unboxing together. So a very simple packaging from Google. Let me open up this box. As usual, there's no charging brick. It's only one cable, one USB-C cable. And over here, I believe some documents, and maybe yes, there's a SIM card remover too over here, and that is it. A simple USB-C, a white USB-C cable, and the main product is over here. So let's start to unbox or unwrap it. Ooh, nice. From this angle, I barely can see the fold. And on the back, it has a 6.3-inch screen, which is quite a big screen. And all the curves are so nice. Okay, let me fold it, and this is how it looks like when it's folded. Okay, maybe a close up on everything. So you can see on the hinge side there's nothing over here. On the top you have the usual speaker. What is this? Okay, microphones, speaker, microphones, and on this side you have the rocker switch for the volume and the power on button. And yeah, that's very simple design. And yeah, on the bottom, on the bottom you can see there's another speaker, a microphone, two microphones over here. Let me focus it. Two microphones over here, and a nano SIM card holder over here. And this is a USB-C port for charging. Let me zoom out, and this is a camera module. Zoom in again, camera module. This is important. So a very nice module over here to house all the cameras. I believe there's 4 cameras, that's what I can see from here. And I believe there's also a laser unit over here to do the focusing. And it is actually so thin. That's it. And just now I show you something, right? That is the casing. Remember, you need protection for your very expensive device, and this will be the one I'm very surprised that it has such a flimsy kind of packaging. But anyway, let me open it up. As usual, quite nicely packaged. Let me what is so thin? Which I think is important because I don't need such a thick casing. Such a thin casing. And I believe you have to take out all these white color things. It might have some glue or something on it. So as you can see, this cover acts as a very minimum protection for this phone. It's only the edges, which I think is good enough because it's a foldable. It's not so easy to have a cover for a foldable. And on the back itself, it has another quite standard cover just to protect it. And yes, that's it for this cover. Very nice because it has the same color as the phone, and you can see that the material is like a felt, so that means it's not going to scratch your phone or do harm to the back of your phone. So now let's power on the device together. I believe it is running on Android 14. That's the latest Android. And yeah, I'll not bore you with all this setting up. So just bear with me and I'll come back again. So that's it for the short unboxing. The rest of the review will be coming out because I need more time with it, because I just received it and I have to update a lot of their apps and software, and I'm not going to bore you with it. So that's it for today. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again.
You're so bittersweet, moments so close to lost that I clench my teeth.